Hello and welcome to a quick unboxing of the Geeetech Aluminium Prusa i3 3D printer DIY kit support for filament from Banggood. So let's unbox this really quick. Da-da-da-da. Geeetech. So there's actually a manual in here. Didn't expect that. Let's take a really quick look. Okay, so the parts, the fan, the PCU, the board. Okay, so it's like what's inside. Put this here. Then it was actually checked. Okay. Okay. Okay, so it should be everything in there. Okay. Let's start with this. Here. Power cord. LCD. Filament. Filament spool holder. Again, aluminum parts. Extruder, more extruder parts, and even more extruder parts. And more extruder parts. And the heated bed. Cool. That's a heated bed and a glass bed as well. And power cord, well, let's say the power switch. Then that's the aluminium part of the Aluminium i3. And that. Little scratch. What looks quite nice and sturdy. No flex at all. Let me grab the calipers because I asked myself how's the diameter. Okay, let's zero it. And let's check it. 6.1 millimeters. That's not bad. Cool. Very cool. Let's put it like this. Ooh, so much more. Okay. Well, tools. I like tools. So that's the extruder. Already assembled. That's pretty cool. I'll have to stack stuff now. So with the motors here, they look all similar. Let's put it here in the bag. USB cable. So that's the board with the feds, the drivers. Oh, strain relief, zip ties. So that's actually for the filament holder, I think. And that's probably PSU. Yeah, it is. Well, let's check, is there any? Here it says, yeah. Let's see if there's a potentiometer. So I dial up the voltage slightly. Well, not sure. Well, cool. Let's put it in here. Come on. So then we have. Okay. So that's the limited switches, fan bearings. Not sure. Okay. That's for the belt. Belt as well. Belt as well. Belt as well. Obvious. That's for the knob. More cables for the bed to clip the glass bed onto the heated bed. Could be bearings, I'm not sure. Okay, though. Those are for the set rods, I think. Okay, the couplers. More bearings. Not sure. I think those are the standoffs for the PDB. I'm not sure. Screws. Long screws, long screws, long screws, longer screws, shorter screws. Washer, screws, washers. All here. Again for the set axis, more screws and belt. That's actually one long belt and you cut it for both the X and Y. Here. And okay, what's that? I think that's for the set stop. Then we have the straight rods and well, all rods. They actually have a different thread. Interesting. Okay, springs and belt guide springs, or whatever they are called. So I think that was everything. Yeah. Let's put this away. Oops. And rearrange it. That's quite a lot of stuff. Yeah, so much for the unboxing. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.